Hi everyone, so today I wanted to share a little cleaning motivation with you. So I'm starting here in my bedroom. I'm just going to get the bed made, spray it down with some linen spray, and then we'll move on from there. Thank you so much for joining me and rocking out with me on this video. I haven't done a cleaning video in such a long time, so I hope you guys are enjoying. Please give me a big thumbs up, and if this is your first time here, please do subscribe. I would love to have you here. Here I'm using a foam type glass cleaner, which is called Sprayway. I grabbed them at Walmart for like $2.50. I really do enjoy this glass cleaner, and I do switch between this one and Perfect Glass. That one is a little bit difficult to find. You have to find it like Home Goods or even Lowe's. So I do recommend this Sprayway, which is at Walmart. This is our very first time ever living in military housing in the States, and I was a little nervous about this little bedroom because it was so small to me when we moved in, but this has to be thus far our best bedroom to date. It's very simple to clean, it's light, it's airy. I just love everything about it. I wouldn't change it for the world. I mean, I would want it a little bigger, but overall I just so content with it. So I just wanted to share that with you. No matter how big your space is, once you get it the way you want it, and you can just absolutely fall in love with a space.
Last night we had something, tonight I'll be guessing, but I don't really have a case. You don't have to mention, you just like their attention. It's written all over your face. I don't wanna play the quiet type when I'm near you, reading old messages on my phone every time I see you.
You guys, please forgive me with this lighting. I was using my husband's camera and I did not have the settings correct. I have no idea why it's so overexposed like this, but I still wanted to share me getting my house together because it's so motivating when I see others clean. So I just still wanted to put this video out, so please bear with me. This lighting, it goes up, it goes down, it's all over the place. That's what happens when you have a high-tech camera and you don't know how to operate it. So please forgive me.
Not sure if I want this. You don't think that I notice. This isn't like giving you space. I don't wanna play the quiet type when I'm near you, pretending that I don't know who you are every time I see you. Tell me, is this part of an act just to keep your image intact? If you think that strategy's smart, I'm not gonna defend my beating heart. Defend my beating heart. You only call me on the weekends when you're out and about, only chasing highs. You need me. He brings me flowers on a Tuesday. He gives me good loving, something that I never thought existed. I know what I need, ain't gonna lie. I know what I want, speaking my mind now. A queen needs a king to be by her side. On my mind's loving's on my mind. He can do me better, he can do me better. On my mind's everything I like. He can do me better, he can do me better than you. Can love me better than you do. Yeah, you can love me better than you. You only call me on the weekends when you're out and about. Tell me, do you really need me? I'm painting pictures and I'm dreaming about that good love and something that I know you cannot give me. I know what I need, ain't gonna lie. I know what I want, speaking my mind now. A queen needs a king to be by her side. On my mind's loving's on my mind. He can do me better, he can do me better. On my mind's everything I like. He can do me better, he can do me better than you. Can love me better than you do. Yeah, you can love me better than you. It's like we're stuck, you won't grow up, and I'm getting tired of waiting. It's like we're stuck, you won't grow up, and I'm getting tired, I'm tired of waiting for you to make your move. He can love me better.
I love it. Okay, so I just found this picture yesterday at Valentine and it looks amazing. I love it. I was on the fence. I was like, should I put black over here? It's in my living room, but I'm gonna treat this like my little office, and and this is what it's gonna be. So I think it's so beautiful. Here's this little table. Don't mind that stuff over there, but here's a table, and here's my little desk area. Oh, I love it. Somebody asked, why can't I put the curtain back here? I mean, I keep putting it back here, but it keep coming up there, and I don't want to leave my desk from away from the wall, so it doesn't bother me. Hopefully it doesn't bother you that the curtain is like that. And then I found this little cutie, this little riser. I don't know if I'll keep it here, but I thought it was so perfect. It fits on my right here. So that's that. I was over here working this morning, so don't mind all of this. I'll get this wiped down later, but I just wanted to put my picture up, and oh, it looks good. Oh, I love it. All right, so, and then like if I'm even standing over this way, you don't really see it too much. So if I'm standing here, you don't even see the picture. You only still see that mirror and clock and my plant. So I love that. At first I thought I was gonna put it on that wall there, but I think it looks good. And this is how it looks over there. Yep. Upstairs. Okay. And it, yay. Alrighty, so I'm almost done cleaning in here. I need to find somewhere to put these fashion books, and I'll be done.